Okay, so talking the 12 big moments of 2020, another one that stood out was the ballet dancer, the young kid who broke the internet literally, and got scholarships both from Nigerians and internationally. Where were you when you saw that, and what did you think the first time you saw the video?
I mean, I was looking for a very a perspective that I think is very interesting. The first time I saw it was when Viola Davis retweeted it, and I'm like, okay, that's it.
Yeah.
This is going to blow. And I mean, it's very interesting that this is a young boy dancing ballet.
Yeah.
And I
He's
think
11.
I mean, amazeballs, and it's never just about a young boy dancing ballet. Is anybody dancing ballet in Nigeria? People don't even understand that people actually care about ballet in Nigeria. And when it's not, oh, you're not being a medical doctor, like a lawyer, Nigerians are very, not very interested in such. And they're like, oh. And so, I mean, it was very interesting. I'm like, oh, this is going to blow up. I mean, scholarships from Juilliard, and people came with the white superiority complex and white supremacy thing. But I'm like, no, this is not University of Lagos I'm talking about, it's Juilliard. Okay. The best name is good. So yeah. I did find it quite interesting.
Yeah, you mentioned that, you know, some of how that has sort of shifted the conversation from the traditional things that people are used to. Because even with dancing, even if people are accepting of dancers now, they still wouldn't necessarily believe in ballet per se.
Dancing, yes.
Because it's still very virgin, if you want to say that. And to think that we'll have a school here for that, which is not particularly developed and has produced someone that young, who is a boy even, because most people associate ballet with girls as well.
Yes.
You know, and you've talked about Gen Zs earlier, opening up the mind, you know, for people here in Nigeria. What does that do for people?
I think it's number one. I think that the international recognition that this got, in fact, has opened up the minds to so many people, and it has helped people to understand that, well, the limitations that we've placed on ourselves in terms of career and personalities do not really work. And so you limit yourselves to the ideas of, if I'm not doing this, what we term professionally in Nigeria, you're like, oh, then I'm not going to be successful at it. But this has shown that you could be successful at anything. You could be cooking in your house, and people will notice you and be like, oh, this type of jollof rice is the jollof rice I want. And so, apart from not being conforming, I really do not want people to limit this to, oh, he's not conforming and all of that. I feel like that topic becomes very debatable in the spaces that we put it in. And instead of recognizing the hard work that this person has put into, I mean, he's 11, so he's probably doing it for numbers of years. And so putting it in that space limits what the hard work and the diligence this person has put into their craft. And so I think people like that should be celebrated more for their craft and less than I'm not conforming.
You think we're going to be seeing a lot more of things like this? I mean, TikTok is blowing up like crazy. There's a lot of these social media spaces that people are exploiting, and, you know, things go viral every day. Excited for 2021?
I really am. I really am. I think Nigeria is opening up. I think TikTok does a lot for terms of representation, and it's so good that people can now understand that there are people like this in my country, and I'm not the only one existing in this place. And like, because I don't see this every day, and now that's what social media does, and that's what TikTok has done, especially because now you can now see, oh, there are people like this that really exist, and other boys or other young boys and girls in their homes who are not that conforming to what the society takes can now come up and show themselves and be like, oh, this is me. And so I'm really excited for 2021. I'm sure it's going to be great.
I hope it's better than 2020.
Hopefully.